Today, I'm going to show you how I make an easy, spicy chickpea chorizo. That's next. This dish is easy and delicious. If you don't have a food processor, simply chop your veggies as small as possible. I mash the chickpeas by hand because I don't want them pureed. I want the mixture to be crumbly. When sautéing your vegetables, you don't need to use oil. I simply wait for the pan to be hot before adding the onion. The vegetables release enough water that you don't have to worry about them sticking. When it comes to chili powder, it's all about how spicy you can handle it. I would suggest starting at half a tablespoon and then increasing until you're happy with the level of heat. My favorite way of serving this meaty filling is in romaine lettuce leaves, but it's also great in tortillas or any other way that you would use a taco filling. I really love this combination of chickpeas, mushrooms, and cauliflower. With all the mock meats out there, I find this satisfies my urge for a meaty-like filling. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it out. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!